Hey guys, this is Doogee V40 and it comes with a big 512GB storage with 32GB RAM, and it is expandable up to 1TB storage via SD card with a Dimensity 7300 chipset for smooth gaming, and it also features a 108 megapixel main camera, and of course comes with IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistant. It is absolutely built for extreme durability. Before we jump into this Doogee V40 review, actually I already reviewed the Doogee V40 Pro, so be sure to check that out too if you want to know the differences between Doogee V40 and Doogee V40 Pro. I will highlight them at the end of this video. So let's dive into this review. Well, this is the box of Doogee V40. As inside the box, you will find the V40 rugged smartphone at the top, a Type-C USB cable, a 33-watt charger, the warranty card, a screen protector, and the manual. That's pretty much in the box. The Doogee V40 has a rugged and durable body crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, making it strong and resistant to extreme temperatures. The back design is a bit different from the Doogee V40 Pro, but still got its own pattern. The camera ring is quite large, as you know, the latest Xiaomi 15 Ultra, housing a triple camera setup with a 108 megapixel main sensor. On the side there are volume buttons and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking. On the left, the SIM and TF card slot are sealed tightly, protecting them from dust and water. And you can use two SIM cards along with a memory card at the same time. It comes with IP68 and IP69K rating. Water and dust are not a problem now. You can even film underwater without worries. There's also a customizable side button which you can set a shortcut for recording or other functions. The USB Type-C charging port is covered for extra protection. Despite Doogee V40's thickness is 15.5 mm, the V40 manages to strike a balance between durability and everyday usability. One of my favorite things about this phone is the massive 8680 mAh battery. You can easily get 2 to 3 days of use on a single charge, depending on how you use it. And when you do need to recharge, it supports 33-watt fast charging with the included charger, so you won't be stuck waiting around for hours. On the software side, it runs on Android 14, which is clear and up-to-date with minimal bloatware, plus it supports 5G, NFC for mobile payments, and Bluetooth 5.2. Basically, it's got all the essentials you need for a daily use, but with that extra rugged durability. Now let's talk about the display. The Doogee V40 comes with a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus screen and 2.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the details are sharp, and it's bright enough for outdoor use. Whenever you are watching videos, gaming, or just scrolling through social media, the experience is smooth and solid. Under the hood, the Doogee V40 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, which is built on 4nm technology and supports 5G connectivity. Paired with 12GB of RAM, and it can be expandable, this setup provides excellent performance for a rugged phone at this price. Plus, it comes with 512GB of internal storage, which is pretty impressive for a device like this. And if that's not enough, you can still add a micro SD card for even more storage. Now for the camera setup. The V40 features a 20 megapixel night vision camera, which allows you to see things in low light conditions and even in total darkness. There's also an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle and macro camera, giving you a lot of flexibility in your shots. And of course, a 108 megapixel main sensor is really impressive for a rugged phone. For selfies, the V40 has a 16 megapixel Ultra HD camera, which is okay. And if you need a photo that can take great photos in indoor environments, the V40 definitely delivers. Now let me tell you the big key differences in Doogee V40 and Doogee V40 Pro. The big difference is in price. Actually, it's not that big, but if you wanted to know, the difference is in the front camera. Doogee V40 has 16 megapixel camera in front, but Doogee V40 Pro has 32 megapixel front camera. And the big difference is also in the back camera. Doogee V40 has a 108 megapixel main camera, but Doogee V40 Pro has 200 megapixel camera, and the one is quad Doogee V40 Pro and Doogee V40 is triple camera setup. These are the big key differences in these two smartphones. So if you wanted to buy any of them, you can check out the link in the description. And hope you do like this video, and please consider to subscribing this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.